Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're diving into the basics of physics, mechanical work, energy and power. Let's get started. First, what is mechanical work? It's when a force moves an object. Imagine pushing a box with a force of 10 newtons over 5 meters. The work done is 50 joules. Next, energy comes in different forms. Gravitational potential energy is energy stored due to an object's height. A 2-kilogram rock held 3 meters high has about 59 joules of stored energy. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. A 1,000-kilogram car moving at 15 meters per second has over 112,000 joules of kinetic energy. The law of conservation of energy states that energy just changes form. If that rock falls, its potential energy converts into kinetic energy. Finally, power is how fast work is done. If pushing that box took 10 seconds, your power output is 5 watts. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.